Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to expected exam date and preparation strategy video for NILET STQC recruitment 2020. So as you know, your exam is scheduled in 2021. Okay, now I will tell you the expected exam date and what should be your target date. Okay, basically it is the target date, and once it is officially anything is announced, then obviously I will here to help you. Okay, so along with that we will discuss your daily timetable also now, that what should you do, what should your routine be like. Okay, all the things we will discuss. So let's start with your expected exam date first. So your target or expected exam date for NILET STQC, okay, should be your now, as you know, in the February second and first week. Okay, your gate exam is scheduled. So your STQC exam is expected in February last week. Okay, so in February last week your STQC exam is scheduled. So approximately I can say you have 50 days. Okay, approximately you have 50 days. So according to this 50 days only, I will discuss now the strategy and the things you should follow. Okay, to get into the merit list, because the target is only merit list. Okay, nothing else. So first we will discuss the test series and quiz box schedule. So and how to use them. So when you click on the link which is I am giving in the description, then our website will get open like this. Okay, so then go to this test series. Here you will get NILET STQC. Now according to your branch you can select whether you are from EC, whether you are from CS, or whether you are from IT. Okay, so I am clicking on suppose EC. So this is your test series. Okay, total 13 tests are there, out of which your 3 tests are your full length test, okay, of 3 hours, and 10 special practice tests, that is non-tech test, is there for you to practice. Okay, now if you want the schedule, then all the things are here it is schedule. This is the app for the quiz box, and this is our main app, Apna Government Job. Okay, and then if you want to access the test series offline, then you can access here. Okay, so this is the app for test series and this is the app for quiz box. Both the app you have to compulsory download. Then if you click on this check schedule, then you will get the schedule of our test series. Okay, accordingly only I made the strategy video, so it is important to note down the schedule. Now as you can see, the first full length test is scheduled on 10 Jan. So I will just keep this a little forward. Okay, so I will keep at around 17 Jan, because for now it is the learning phase is there. That's why I don't want that is to be live. Okay, then as you can see here, the non-tech test is already live. The first test is live on the 3rd Jan. Okay, and yes, the validity of test series is till your exam date, so there is no tension in that. Okay, so this is the test schedule for your test series for STQC. Now we will see your quiz box. Okay, so quiz box you will get along with the test series. I am attaching this quiz box with the test series only, so you don't need to pay any extra thing. Okay, because this is very important thing. As you know that non-tech section is of 42 marks. Okay, and this is the crucial part which you require to get more score, so that you will be in merit list, right? So this is very important. In this quiz box you will get general studies, current affair. Okay, all the questions will be there. Quant and reasoning. English is not there for you, so you can skip or you can use. Okay, there is no issue. Daily 50 to 60 questions you will get into the quiz box. Okay, now according to quiz box and test series, how we should focus and how we should make our routine. So let's check that. So first, as you know, there are two sections, that is technical is of 78 marks and your general is of 42 marks. Okay, so already the things like books, topics, important topics, from which topic you should start, all the things I discussed already in the previous videos. Just check the NILET STQC playlist. In the playlist section you will get all the things. Okay, so here just I will start with subject wise study. As I told you earlier, start study like that. Okay, along with the topic you will solve the gate questions, and just purchase one book which is your topic wise book. Okay, which is your topic wise book. So along with the topic, once you read the concept, then you can go to gate questions. Then you will solve NILET previous year papers. Okay, and after solving the NILET previous year paper for any exam or organization that they conducted, you can refer that technical section. Okay, and then our test series. Okay, so in our test is in last, that is in Feb you will start. Don't touch it now. Okay, don't touch it now bilkul. And the 3 tests, here you have 3 full length tests. Okay, so approximately here you have 234 questions of technical. That is enough. Okay, that is enough for you. And here also you got the subject wise study. sorry, get question. Okay, so along with get question, NIELIT previous year paper and these questions are enough. There is no need to do extra thing. Okay, as you have only 50 days, so just consider this like this: read the topic, solve the get question topic wise, then solve the NIELIT previous paper, and then in February you can start our test. Okay, there is no issue in that. So this is the strategy for your technical. Now we will move to the general section. So in general, as you know, you have quant section. Okay, so quant is there. Just for technical you can give 3 to 4 hours study daily, very important. Then quant section you can give 1 hour. All the things already discussed in non-technical preparation strategy video, you can check in the playlist. Then reasoning you can do for 1 hour. Okay, as there is not much syllabus for quant and reasoning, so you can give 1 hour. Then general awareness is there, which is crucial part for NIELIT STQC recruitment. So just spend 30 minutes, because you know from the website only you have to read the daily current affair and last 12 months. Okay, so last 12 months and daily current affair you have to read, and hardly it take 5 minutes to read the current affair. Okay, that's why it is important. So daily current affair will be there, and you can take 5 to 6 days and start from July month. Okay, so you will start from July month till your exam day, till your exam day. Okay, and then you have quiz box. So compulsory spend 30 minutes or 30 minutes here also for practicing. As you know, daily 50 to 60 questions are there, and once your quiz box is unlocked, you can see the previous quizzes are also there, so you can solve that also. There is no issue in that. Okay, then master class, which is very crucial for you, don't miss this. All the master class video you will get into your NIELIT playlist. Okay, or you can go to our another channel, so on that also you can get. Okay, so two ways you can access the master classes for quant, reasoning and general awareness. Then from website I already told you, you have to read the current affair, and then you have to give special non-tech test. So just give this test according to schedule only. There is no need to uh, delay the things. Okay, so for non-tech you can start the test, but for a full length just wait, and once you finish your 60% syllabus. Okay, once you finish your 60% syllabus, then you can start with your full length test. Okay, that is in February, because till February you can complete 60% syllabus for sure, right? So this is the complete plan for your technical non-technical section. So daily approximately 10 hours you have to give. Okay, along with that, don't forget our Telegram daily cards, which is very important for you also. Okay, if you didn't join our main central group on WhatsApp or Telegram group Apna Government Job, then you have to join, because on that I am uploading the daily cards. Okay, and on weekly basis I am uploading the PDF also to revise you. So this is the overall thing. All the things are given here. Just note down the functionality of each and everything. Okay, and if you have any query, any doubt, then obviously you can ask me. And those who didn't see the previous videos, you can see in the playlist section. Okay, so once the official date is announced, then I will definitely update you guys. So till then, prepare very hard and just join our STQC group of NIELIT. Okay, very important. So just join. All the links are in the description only, so check the description box, and if you have any query, then you can comment down below. All the best.